Alright everyone, I am cleaning up this stove, and to lift this section up I have to remove this bolt. I really don't know what it's called, but this is what it looks like. Now the last time I used my fingers to unscrew it, but because of so much buildup and oil that has gotten on the stove now, it's really hard to do that, so I'm going to show you how I removed it. Now this 50-piece drill set, I got it from Walmart, and this section, let me just release it here. This section came here. This part was down here, right? So I took it out and I was like, okay, this looks as though it matches my bolt. Let me see if I could put it in the drill and see how best that would work. So this part goes into the drill. Now every drill is different. I have a video on how to use a drill, or how to use bits in drills, and I think I turn this left, and when the entire thing starts to spin, let me do it one more time. So this section and this section, it's separate, right? So you put this in there, put this in there. I don't know the name of these parts, please forgive me. And then the top part of here, you spin. So when you spin it to the left, it starts to close up in here so that this will not come out. And when you spin and this part spins with it also, it means that it's locked. Now this drill could either spin right or left. There's a lever here that could go right or left. Now initially when I pushed it right, it had locked the bolt tighter, so I figured that if I push it left, it's going to go in the opposite direction. So bear that in mind when attempting to use the drill to loosen the screw in the stove. Now this is the bolt and this is the drill. This is what you press and it gets the drill going. Now you're going to put this in here. This bolt will fit neatly in here. So you put it there and you press and the screw literally just, it fell out. It just fell all the way out. I'm not even sure where the screw went, but that's how you get to remove a bolt from your stove, to get this section to lift all the way up. I hope this video was useful to you. Don't leave without subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.